Listen up, we've all been there. Clueless about the stock market. That was me, folks. Didn't know a stock from a bond. Thought investing was for Wall Street hotshots, not regular Joes like me. Then, bam, reality hit. I was pushing 40, stuck in a dead-end job. Savings. What savings? My retirement plan was winning the lottery. One day, my buddy, a savvy investor, pulls up in a brand new car. Stock options, he says, grinning. That's when it hit me. I needed to get in the game. The stock market felt like a foreign language. The numbers, the charts, the endless streams of data. It was all so overwhelming. PE ratios, dividends, IPOs, it was all gibberish. I couldn't make heads or tails of it. It felt like I was drowning in a sea of financial jargon. But I was determined to crack the code. I started small, taking baby steps into this vast, intimidating world. I knew that if I wanted to succeed, I had to educate myself. I read every book, every article I could get my hands on. From the basics of stock market investing to advanced trading strategies, I devoured it all. I spent hours online soaking up information like a sponge. Websites, blogs, financial news portals. They became my go-to resources. Joining online forums was a game changer. These communities were filled with people just like me, eager to learn and share their knowledge. Connecting with other investors, newbies, and veterans alike was invaluable. I asked questions, debated strategies, and learned from their experiences. I learned more from those forums than any fancy finance course. The real-world insights and practical advice were priceless. The key takeaway? Investing wasn't gambling. It was about owning a piece of great businesses. It was about understanding the value and potential of companies and making informed decisions. Slowly but surely, I started to see progress. My confidence grew and so did my portfolio. The journey was challenging, but every step was worth it. And now I share my knowledge with others, helping them navigate the complexities of the stock market. Because diving into the unknown is less daunting when you have a guide. Did I make mistakes? You bet. Jumped into hot stocks based on rumors and gut feelings. Bought high, sold low. The classic rookie mistakes. One minute my portfolio was green, the next it was red, flashing like a casino slot machine. Those early losses stung, but they were my best teachers. They taught me the importance of research, discipline, and not getting swayed by emotions. Most importantly, they taught me that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Every investor needs a strategy, a guiding principle. Mine became simple: invest in what you understand. I started looking at companies whose products I used and loved. Companies with strong track records, solid management, and a clear vision for the future. It wasn't about chasing the next big thing. It was about finding companies with real value, companies that were building something meaningful, companies I believed in. That's when my investing journey truly began to take off. Here's the thing about the stock market. It's a roller coaster. It can be thrilling and terrifying all at once. One moment, you're on top of the world, and the next, you're plummeting down. Ups and downs, twists and turns. The market is unpredictable, and it can change in the blink of an eye. But that's the nature of the beast. The secret is, don't panic. Stay calm and composed. It's easy to get swept up in the chaos, but keeping a level head is crucial. Don't sell off at the first sign of trouble if your underlying analysis is still intact. Trust your research and the fundamentals of your investments. Remember, you're in it for the long haul. Investing isn't about quick wins. It's about steady, consistent growth over time. Time is your greatest ally in investing. Let your investments grow and give them the time they need to mature. The longer you stay invested, the more you can benefit from the market's overall upward trend. Let compounding work its magic. Compounding is the process where your investment earnings generate their own earnings, creating a snowball effect that can lead to significant growth over time. Sure, there will be bumps along the way. Market corrections and downturns are inevitable, but they are also temporary. But over the long term, the market has historically trended upwards. By staying invested, you can ride out the rough patches and come out ahead. The market rewards those who are patient, disciplined, and believe in the power of compound growth. Stay the course and let time and compounding work in your favor. Your future self will thank you. The financial news channels are full of noise-talking heads making predictions, creating fear and greed. Don't get caught up in the hype. Tune it out. Focus on what matters, the fundamentals. Read company reports, understand their financials, their competitive landscape. Learn to separate the signal from the noise. Develop your own judgment. Don't let others dictate your investment decisions. Remember, you're not buying stocks, you're buying businesses. Make sure they're businesses you want to own a piece of. Section 7. Embracing risk, managing losses. Investing always involves risk. Don't be afraid of it, but manage it wisely. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Have a plan for what to do when the market inevitably takes a downturn. Remember, losses are part of the game. Don't let them derail you. Learn from your mistakes. Adapt your strategy. The key is to stay invested, stay focused, and never give up on your financial goals. Section 8. Never stop learning, never stop growing. The stock market is constantly evolving. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow. That's why it's crucial to be a lifelong learner. Stay curious, stay informed. Read books, attend webinars, follow industry experts. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the complexities of the market. Remember, investing is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride, embrace the challenges, and never stop learning and growing as an investor. Section 9. My investing journey, still unfolding. Looking back, I'm amazed at how far I've come. It's been a journey filled with ups and downs, moments of doubt, and times of triumph. From a clueless beginner to a confident investor, the transformation has been nothing short of incredible. I remember the early days, poring over financial books, trying to make sense of complex graphs and charts. Has it been easy? No way. There were times when I felt overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and the unpredictability of the market. I faced numerous challenges, from declining stocks to market crashes. Has it been worth it? Absolutely. Every setback was a learning opportunity, and every success, no matter how small, was a step towards my financial goals. Celebrating those moments of success, no matter how minor, kept me motivated. The stock market has given me financial freedom, but more importantly, it's empowered me to take control of my future. It's not just about the money, it's about the confidence and knowledge I've gained along the way. My investment journey is far from over. Each day brings new opportunities and challenges. I continue to monitor my stock performance, always looking for ways to optimize and grow my portfolio. I'm still learning, still growing, still making mistakes and learning from them. The market is ever-changing, and staying informed is crucial. I spend time studying new strategies and analyzing trends to stay ahead. But I'm no longer afraid to take risks, to trust my instincts, and to invest in my future. Calculated risks have become a part of my strategy, and with each decision, I grow more confident in my abilities. This journey is ongoing, and I'm excited to see where it takes me next. Section 10. Your journey starts now. So, what are you waiting for? The stock market is open to everyone. Whether you're starting with a few dollars or a few thousand, the most important step is to start. Educate yourself, develop a strategy, and take that first step towards financial freedom. Remember, investing is not just about making money. It's about taking control of your future, securing your financial well-being, and building a brighter tomorrow for yourself and your loved ones. Your journey starts now.